Welcome to the Weather Centre on Christmas Day, where cloudy, wet and much cooler weather moves in over the northeastern part of South Africa. Thundershowers and showers start off early on in the day, with widespread thunderstorms for Gauteng and the northwest, as well as parts of the Free State and Mpumalanga. Isolated thundershowers are forecast as we head towards the northern and eastern Cape, with some light rain as we head towards the coast, and then we're forecasting sunny and warm weather in the west. Here's a rainfall accumulation map over a 24-hour period, and this particular model is picking up to 100 millimeters of rainfall over parts of Mpumalanga, Gauteng and the northwest, and that's indicated in the shade of red. There is a watch of the possibility of heavy rain and flash flooding, and that includes Gauteng, parts of the northwest and Limpopo on Sunday. We're forecasting widespread thundershowers and showers for Gauteng and the northwest, as well as parts of the Free State and Mpumalanga, with scattered thundershowers as we head towards Mpumalanga, Lowveld and parts of Limpopo, with isolated thundershowers as we head towards the central interior, and we'll see the possibility of light rain along the eastern Cape coastline. Much cooler temperatures are forecast in the northeast, with highs in the low 20s for Gauteng, 19 for Bombela, 23 for Phalaborwa and Mahikeng, and Polokwane at 21 degrees. Highs head into the mid-20s for Bishu and Queenstown, with cooler weather over the eastern part of South Africa. Still warm for Bloemfontein at 27, but for the rest of those highs peaking in the low 20s. You'll see a strong easterly wind for Port Elizabeth, with an northeasterly wind for East London at 23 degrees. More of a northeasterly as we head towards Durban, with a maximum temperature of 24, with a 2-meter southerly swell at 10 seconds along the east coast. We head into warmer weather as we head further west, to the high of around 30 for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, with maximum temperatures peaking in the low and middle 30s over the Western Cape interior. Muizenberg tops 26 degrees with a fresh southeasterly wind. You'll see strong easterly winds along the coast from Cape Agulhas all the way through to Jeffreys Bay, with a warm afternoon for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay at 24 degrees. And along the south coast, we're expecting a 2.5-meter southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. It'll be a warmer day for the Northern Cape, 38 degrees for Appington, Springbok, Carnarvon and Calvinia, all at 34 degrees. Along the west coast, we're expecting a maximum temperature of 29 degrees for Cape Town, with a moderate south-southeasterly wind, but with stronger winds in the forecast in the evening, and a fresh southwesterly wind for Lambert's Bay at 28, with a 2.5-meter southwesterly swell along the west coast. Cloudy and wet weather continues over the northeastern parts, especially into Monday morning, with that cloudy and wet weather also moving in over the central part of South Africa, with thundershowers extending through to Appington and Graaff-Reinet, as well as the east coast, but with another sunny and hot day in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely day.